Imagine you're on a hot lead with a potential client. You're pitching your heart out, building rapport, and things are clicking. Suddenly, your co-founder calls, needing your urgent input on a critical project deadline. What do? Put the client on hold and risk losing their momentum? Ignore your co-founder and risk jeopardizing the project? There's a better way. Enter Grasshopper, a virtual phone system that can be your secret weapon for managing these multi-call situations. But can Grasshopper actually handle a three-way call? The answer is yes, and in this video, we'll dive deep into how Grasshopper's three-way calling feature can transform your communication game. Grasshopper 101, your virtual phone system lifeline. Before we delve into three-way calling magic, let's take a quick step back. Grasshopper throws out the clunky traditional phone system and replaces it with a sleek, cloud-based solution. Imagine having a business phone number that rings on your smartphone, computer, or even a tablet. You can answer calls, send texts, manage voicemails, and so much more, all from one user-friendly interface. This flexibility is fantastic, but what if you need to bring in a third person to the conversation? That's where Grasshopper's three-way calling shines. Three-way calling with Grasshopper. A practical breakdown. Here's the exciting part. Initiating a three-way call with Grasshopper is surprisingly simple. Scenario 1. You're already on a call and need to add another person. Let's say you're on fire with your client pitch, and your developer chimes in with a crucial technical detail you need to clarify. No problem. While on the call with your client, simply use the Merge Calls function within the Grasshopper app. You'll be prompted to select the contact you want to add, and voila, everyone's connected in a seamless three-way conversation. Scenario 2. You need to initiate a three-way call from scratch. Maybe you're coordinating between a client and a vendor. Here, you'd initiate a regular call with one party, then use the Merge Calls function again to add the other person. Grasshopper intelligently manages the call flow, ensuring everyone hears each other clearly. Beyond the basics, power up your three-way calls with Grasshopper features. Grasshopper doesn't just connect calls. It empowers them. Here are some features that elevate your three-way calling experience. Crystal clear audio. Say goodbye to choppy connections and dropped calls. Grasshopper prioritizes high-quality audio for a smooth and professional experience. Call recording. Capture important decisions or agreements made during the three-way call for future reference. With Grasshopper's recording feature, you can easily access and share these recordings later. In call notes, need to jot down key points during the call? Grasshopper allows you to take notes directly within the app, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Call transfer. Let's say the conversation with your vendor becomes a bilateral discussion you don't need to be part of. No worries. Grasshopper allows you to seamlessly transfer the call between the other two parties, freeing yourself up for other tasks. Beyond three-way calling, Grasshopper's communication arsenal. While three-way calling is a powerful tool, Grasshopper offers a whole suite of features to streamline your business communication. Custom greetings. Create professional greetings for different situations, giving callers a great first impression. Auto attendant. Route callers to the appropriate person or department automatically, eliminating the need for endless menu options. Voicemail transcription. Never miss a beat. Grasshopper transcribes voicemails into text, allowing you to quickly scan important messages. Grasshopper, your communication hub for a multitasking world. In today's fast-paced business environment, the ability to manage multiple conversations efficiently is crucial. Grasshopper's three-way calling feature, along with its extensive toolbox of communication tools, empowers you to stay connected, informed, and productive, no matter how many calls come your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.